Have you ever wondered if there are hidden business opportunities right in your own neighborhood? Many successful entrepreneurs started by spotting a gap in their local market. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to uncover untapped business opportunities in your area. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a full-scale venture, understanding your local landscape is the first step. We'll guide you through proven methods, real-world examples, and actionable tips to help you identify needs that aren't being met. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn local gaps into profitable ventures. Focusing on your local area gives you a unique advantage. You know the people, the culture, and the daily routines. Local businesses often succeed because they address specific needs that big companies overlook. By paying attention to your surroundings, you can spot trends and gaps that outsiders might miss. This local knowledge can be your secret weapon, helping you build trust and loyalty with customers. Remember, some of the most successful businesses started by solving a simple problem in their own community. Start by observing your daily environment. Take note of the shops, services, and activities around you. Are there long lines at certain stores? Do people complain about missing services? Sometimes, the best business ideas come from simply watching and listening. Pay attention to what people wish they had or what frustrates them. These observations can reveal unmet needs and potential opportunities. Keep a notebook or use your phone to jot down ideas as they come to you throughout your day. Conversations can be a goldmine for business ideas. Talk to your neighbors, friends, and local shop owners. Ask them about their daily challenges and what services they wish existed. People love to share their opinions, and you might be surprised by the insights you gain. These discussions can help you validate your observations and uncover problems that are worth solving. Building relationships with locals also helps you understand the community's needs on a deeper level. Stay updated on what's happening in your area. Read local newspapers, join community groups online, and attend town meetings. These sources often highlight emerging trends, new developments, and community needs. By staying informed, you can spot opportunities before they become obvious to everyone else. Look for patterns in what people are talking about or issues that keep coming up. This proactive approach helps you stay ahead of the curve and positions you as a problem solver in your community. Understanding your competition is crucial. Visit local businesses and observe what they do well and where they fall short. Are there services they don't offer? Is there a gap in quality or customer experience? By analyzing competitors, you can identify areas where you can stand out. Sometimes, a small improvement or a unique twist on an existing service can make all the difference. Keep an open mind and look for ways to differentiate your future business. Online reviews are a treasure trove of honest feedback. Browse platforms like Google, Yelp, or Facebook to see what customers are saying about local businesses. Look for recurring complaints or suggestions. These comments can reveal pain points that you could address with your own business. Pay special attention to what people wish was better or what they feel is missing. This digital research complements your in-person observations and helps you build a clearer picture of local needs. Social media platforms are great for gauging local sentiment. Join neighborhood groups or follow local hashtags to see what people are discussing. Are there frequent requests for certain products or services? Do people share frustrations about local options? Social media gives you real-time access to community conversations, helping you spot trends and opportunities as they emerge. Don't just observe, participate in discussions to build your network and credibility. Sometimes, the best way to find out what people want is to ask them directly. Create a simple survey and share it with your neighbors, either online or in person. Ask about their biggest challenges, what services they use most, and what they wish was available locally. Surveys can provide quantitative data to back up your observations and help you prioritize which opportunities to pursue. Keep your questions short and focused for better responses. Demographics play a big role in shaping business opportunities. Is your area attracting young families, retirees, or students? Each group has unique needs and preferences. By understanding who lives in your community and how that's changing, you can tailor your business ideas to serve them better. Check local census data or community reports for insights. Demographic shifts often signal new opportunities waiting to be explored. Some business opportunities are tied to the seasons. Think about what people need during different times of the year, like snow removal in winter or outdoor events in summer. Seasonal trends can reveal gaps that aren't obvious year-round. By planning ahead, you can offer timely solutions and become the go-to provider for seasonal needs. Keep an eye on local events and weather patterns to anticipate demand. Every community has groups whose needs aren't fully met. These could be pet owners, hobbyists, or people with specific dietary requirements. By focusing on a niche, you can build a loyal customer base and face less competition. Research local clubs, meetups, or online forums to find out what these groups are looking for. Serving a niche market can be a great way to start small and grow steadily. Understanding local laws and regulations is essential before starting any business. Some areas have restrictions on certain types of businesses, while others offer incentives for new ventures. Check with your local government or business bureau to learn about permits, zoning, and available grants. Being informed helps you avoid costly mistakes and might even reveal opportunities that others overlook due to regulatory hurdles. Many communities offer resources to help new businesses get started. Look for local business incubators, mentorship programs, or networking events. These resources can provide valuable guidance, funding, and connections. By tapping into local support systems, you increase your chances of success and learn from others who have already navigated the local business landscape. Community events are excellent opportunities to observe, network, and gather ideas. Attend fairs, markets, or festivals to see what products and services are popular. Talk to vendors and attendees to learn about their experiences and needs. These events can also help you test your own ideas in a low-risk environment and build relationships with potential customers. Franchises can be a great way to bring proven business models to your area. Research which franchises are missing locally and whether there's demand for them. Franchises often provide training, marketing support, and brand recognition, making it easier to get started. However, make sure to assess the fit with your community's needs before investing. Available real estate can signal business opportunities. Are there vacant storefronts or new developments in your area? These spaces might indicate a need for new services or products. Talk to real estate agents to learn about trends and what types of businesses landlords are seeking. Sometimes, a great location is the key to a successful venture. Understanding how people move through your area can reveal prime business locations. Observe foot traffic near schools, offices, or transit hubs. High-traffic areas are often ideal for cafes, convenience stores, or service businesses. Use this information to choose a location that maximizes visibility and customer flow. With the rise of online shopping and delivery, many local areas still lack certain services. Are there products or foods that people can't get delivered? Is there a need for faster or more reliable local delivery? By filling these gaps, you can tap into growing demand and offer convenience that others don't. Sometimes, the issue isn't the product or service itself, but the price. Are local options overpriced or underpriced? By offering better value or premium services, you can attract customers who feel underserved. Analyze what people are willing to pay and adjust your business model accordingly. Pop-up shops or temporary stands are a low-risk way to test your business idea. Set up at local events or markets and see how people respond. This approach lets you gather feedback, refine your offering, and build buzz before making a bigger investment. Collaboration can open up new opportunities. Partner with existing businesses to offer complementary services or products. For example, a coffee shop could team up with a local bakery. Partnerships help you reach new customers and share resources, making it easier to get started. Not all opportunities involve selling products. Service-based businesses like cleaning, tutoring, or pet care are always in demand. Think about what skills you have and how they could solve local problems. Service businesses often require less upfront investment and can be tailored to your community's needs. Communities often have unique cultural or artistic traditions. Explore opportunities to support or showcase local artists, musicians, or craftspeople. Businesses that celebrate local culture can attract both residents and visitors, creating a strong sense of community pride. Sustainability is becoming more important to consumers. Look for ways to offer eco-friendly products or services, like recycling, composting, or green cleaning. These businesses not only meet a growing demand, but also contribute positively to your community's environment. Technology is changing how we live and work, but not all communities keep up at the same pace. Are there tech services missing in your area, like IT support, smart home installation, or digital marketing for small businesses? Filling these gaps can position you as a forward-thinking provider and help local businesses thrive. Health and wellness are top priorities for many people. Are there enough gyms, yoga studios, or healthy food options in your area? Maybe there's a need for mental health services or wellness workshops. By addressing these needs, you can improve community well-being and build a loyal customer base. Education is a universal need, but every community has its own gaps. Are there enough tutors, after-school programs, or adult education classes? By providing educational services, you can help people achieve their goals and create lasting value in your community. Childcare and elder care are essential services that are often in short supply. Research what options exist in your area and whether there's unmet demand. Providing reliable care services can make a huge difference for families and create a steady business opportunity. Food is always in demand, but every community has its own tastes and preferences. Are there cuisines or specialty foods missing in your area? Maybe there's a need for healthier options or late-night dining. By filling these gaps, you can attract food lovers and stand out in the local market. Getting around is a daily challenge for many people. Are there enough public transit options, bike rentals, or ride-sharing services in your area? Transportation gaps can be a great opportunity for new businesses, especially as people look for convenient and eco-friendly ways to travel. Home services like repairs, cleaning, or landscaping are always needed. Are there enough providers in your area? Maybe there's a need for specialized services like smart home installation or eco-friendly cleaning. By offering reliable and high-quality home services, you can build a steady stream of clients. Pet ownership is on the rise, and so is demand for pet services. Are there enough groomers, pet sitters, or specialty pet stores in your area? By catering to pet owners, you can tap into a passionate and growing market. From birthdays to weddings, people are always looking for help planning events. Are there enough event planners, decorators, or rental services in your area? By offering creative and reliable event services, you can help people celebrate life's milestones and build a thriving business. Retail is evolving, but there are still gaps in many communities. Are there products people have to travel far to buy? Maybe there's a need for specialty shops or pop-up stores. By filling retail gaps, you can offer convenience and variety to local shoppers. Not all businesses need a storefront. Home-based businesses like consulting, online sales, or freelance services are flexible and cost-effective. Think about what skills or products you can offer from home and how you can reach local customers through digital channels. Before investing time and money, use data to validate your business idea. Look for statistics on local spending, population growth, or industry trends. Data-driven decisions reduce risk and help you focus on the most promising opportunities. Once you have an idea, create a simple prototype or pilot version. Test it with a small group of customers and gather feedback. Use this input to refine your offering before scaling up. Iteration helps you improve your business and better meet local needs. Feedback is essential for growth. Regularly ask your customers what they like and what could be better. Be open to making changes based on their input. Adapting quickly to feedback helps you stay relevant and build a loyal customer base. A strong local brand sets you apart from the competition. Focus on building trust, delivering quality, and engaging with your community. Use local imagery, stories, and values in your marketing. A recognizable brand makes it easier to attract and retain customers. Word of mouth is powerful in local markets. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences with friends and family. Offer referral incentives or create shareable content. Positive word of mouth can quickly grow your reputation and bring in new business. Business environments change quickly. Stay flexible and be ready to pivot if needed. Resilience helps you overcome setbacks and adapt to new opportunities. Keep learning and stay connected to your community to ensure long-term success. Track your business results carefully. Use metrics like sales, customer feedback, and repeat business to measure success. Once you have a proven model, look for ways to scale up, whether by expanding your offerings, opening new locations, or reaching new customer segments. Look for inspiration in local success stories. Many thriving businesses started small and grew by meeting community needs. Celebrate these stories and learn from their journeys. They can motivate you and provide valuable lessons for your own path. Finding untapped business opportunities in your area is all about observation, research, and action. Start by paying attention to your community's needs, validate your ideas with data, and don't be afraid to test and adapt. With persistence and creativity, you can turn local gaps into thriving businesses. Now, take the first step. Get out there, explore, and uncover the hidden gold in your neighborhood.